Hey guys, I got my first pro wrestling crate unboxing. This is the cheap heat. Um, it's $9.99 with shipping, like 14-15 bucks. I'm wearing my pro wrestling t-shirt that I bought here a while ago. It says heel and it's the Darth Vader. They also when I got their shirt, they threw this pro wrestling tees sweet steel chair magnet in there. That was for free. Um, if you didn't know, Pro Wrestling Tees bought out Pro Wrestling Crate. Um, Now it's just still the same service, but Pro Wrestling Tees are taking over. So let's see what we got. This, like I said, this is the cheap heat version. I wish they would come in a box so my mailman don't stuff it in the mailbox and bend up the autograph like it is already. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Fucking mailman. Now I'm fucking pissed. It's bent already. I can feel it. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Now I'm pissed. Somebody's gonna go to Suplex City. What else do we got in here? Okay, just a bunch of junk. They said it was going to be over $40 value. Support Pro Wrestling Tees. ProWrestlingTees.com. Okay. That to me is $1. Every Procreate customer gets 10% off. Just a feeler. That's dumb. Got a tattoo. No circumstances, I think. That's a CM Punk tattoo. Okay, I would give maybe a dollar as a temporary tattoo. Come on, man. This is worthless to me. It's stupid. Okay. Got a DVD. I mean, it looks like crap. I mean, this is what I used to burn DVDs and. Come on, man. The best freelance wrestling. The best of Volume 1 freelance wrestling. Come on. If I'm going to get a DVD, send me a fucking hard case. Come on, dude. What the fuck? Glad I canceled it. Oh, yeah. And then I got a magnet that I got for free when I ordered my shirt. I'm glad I canceled. And let's see the bent autograph. Unfucking believable. Look at that, guys. Look how bent that is. Bobby the Brain Heenan. Look how bent that is. I'm fucking super pissed. if you can see it on the camera. It's a cool autograph. I don't think what I got is, it said $40 plus $9.99. It said $40 plus. I don't see the value here. This $10 to $15. I wouldn't pay much more than that for this. Yes, I know he's a legend, but I wouldn't give any more than 20 for it. Okay, that's 20. Like I said, you get these free when you subscribe or when you buy a pro wrestling tee, which I do. This is one I got. You get these for free when you go to Pro Wrestling Tees. They throw this in and you get a sticker as well. This, I mean, it's cool, but it's a DVR. If you can tell by the back, they just put the label on there as a DVR. It's not a real DVD. I'd give this a $3 copy and paste, made their own label. Not worth 40 bucks. This is, I mean, it's cool. I do like CM Punk, but I'm not a little kid. It's worthless to me. I can go buy all the temporary tattoos for $1 and get a whole bunch of them. And this, I remember buying these kind of bracelets for $1.25, $1.25 at the gas station. I don't see the $40 plus value here. That's just me. I don't see it at all. I mean, the coolest thing is the autograph, which mine is bent. But I just don't see where the $40 plus value is here. I mean, if you can tell me where the $40 plus value is, I'd sure like to know, because I wouldn't give any more than that for that Bobby the Brain Heenan at 20 bucks. That's about it. But that is a cool autograph. Just shitty that mine is bent. But anyway, talk to you later. Thanks for watching.